This is Maria. This is Kate. And this is little Lizzy. Today, the girls are going to a cooking class. Let's help them choose the right clothes. Hello, Maria. Are you ready to cook something tasty? Good. Then let's have a quick look in your wardrobe. What shall we wear? Maybe this one? No, it's too much. This one, maybe? No, it's not at all your style. Let's try this one. Good choice. You look like a real chef. Hello, Kate. You're already eating a cake? Good. Let's hurry up and choose what to wear. So many clothes. Let's try this one. Well, it doesn't look very comfortable. Maybe this one? The kitchen must be kept clean, but this is too much. Let's try this one. Good choice! It's the perfect thing to wear. Hello, Lizzy. Are you ready to go to a cooking class? Then let's have a look in your little wardrobe. What shall we choose? Let's try this one. No, it doesn't really suit you. This one, maybe? Very good. You don't like it? What do you want then? This one? Well, do as you wish. The girls are all dressed and ready for the cooking class. Maria is baking eclairs. And Kate has prepared a tasty salad. And what about Lizzy? Lizzy looks like a tasty cake. You are so funny, little Lizzy.